Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a searchable database on a Confluence page. First, click the Create button at the top of your workspace to open the Create menu. A drop-down menu appears with several content type options. From the menu that appears, select Database and Confluence will generate a new database page for you. The page loads in the main editor area. Once the empty database table loads on screen, you'll see it has a default title at the top and blank column headers ready to fill in. The table structure is already set up, with rows ready for data. Click on the title field to select it, then replace it with your own database name. For this example, I'm typing Project Database. The title updates as you type and displays at the top of your database. Now click into the first column header cell and give it a label. The cell highlights to show it's ready for input. I'm typing Employee ID to name this first column. The header displays your text, and the column is now defined. Click the second column header and type Name to label it. This creates your second data field. Move to the third column header and click to select it. The cell activates and you'll see a cursor appear. Type Status to complete your column setup. Your database structure is now ready to populate. Each column header defines what data will go in that field. A Templates and Import panel opens on the right, showing additional options you can explore later. To test the search functionality, click into the search bar at the top of the page, and a search dropdown appears below it. The dropdown shows recent pages and search suggestions. Type Employee into the search field to filter your workspace content. Confluence searches in real time and matching results appear below. Click on Project Database in the search results that appear. This demonstrates that your database is now indexed and searchable. The database page reloads, and your searchable database is now live and ready to use. You can add rows to your database by clicking the plus icon that appears when you hover below the last row, or by pressing Tab while in the final cell. Each column can be converted to different field types like checkboxes, dates, or drop-down lists by clicking the small arrow next to the column name. If your database doesn't appear in search results immediately, give Confluence a moment or two to index the new page. To rename columns later, click the header cell again and type over the existing text. And that's how to create a searchable database on a Confluence page. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.